Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On today's episode, we're going to be assembling the new dining table that we just got from Home Depot. It's the Millwright wood dining table and we got it in the color black. We chose the color black because it actually fits our look that we're going for, which is the modern type look in our dining room. So it actually has this very cool mechanism that I'll show you in a little bit, which pretty much takes out the hidden middle section so we can finally extend it to sit 8 people. So sit back, relax, and just enjoy the build. Another reason why we chose this table is because it extends. So without the extension, it can sit up to 4 to 5 people, but after we extend it, we can actually sit up to 8 people. So once again friends, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this table. And if you enjoyed this quick short, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one.